Okay, we got here today's this disc lock. I picked this up from public storage. Now, even though it has the public storage logo engraved here, this lock is made by Abus, and I know that because I have the key and it says Abus on it. So by that, I'm assuming a public storage had this custom made by Abus for them. But anyway, this lock is a 5-pin lock. Has a Y1 keyway, and there's 3 security pins in here. I'm assuming they're mushroom pins because that's what Abus tends to use. But they could be spool pins too. But anyway, what we're going to be using to pick this today is a twist flex tension wrench I made from a small diameter wiper blade. And my slimline hook from Sword. Now the funny thing about this lock is, even though it has 3 security pins, sometimes when you get the fall set, it will only catch on 1. So let's hope we get it caught on all 3 this time. But anyway, let's get my wrench seated in there nice and snugly. Put my hook all the way to the back. And let's hope for the best. Trying to get that fall set. There we go. Alright. As you can see there, the first pin's giving us some counter rotation. Let's pick that one. Okay, I believe I got it. Now let's go for the second one. Wait, did I get it? Let me see. Oh wait, turns out I didn't get it. Slipped off. There we go, got it. Let's go on to the second one there. You can see there's the counter rotation again. So let's pick that one. Got that one. Now all that's left is one in the back. The third one. It's kind of difficult to pick the pin sometimes because the pick has a small surface area and so does the pin, so it kind of tends to slip off. But anyway, let's pick this last one here. You can see there's well, let me get seated there. There's some good counter rotation. Let's pick that one. Oops, slipped off again. Go again. Damn thing keeps slipping off. Shit. There we go, got it. Alright, that wraps this video up. So so rate the video if you'd like, leave a comment, check out my channel, and if you like what you see, subscribe. Talk to you later. Peace.